Automated support lines. If you've had to call the number on the back of your credit card lately, you'll know what I'm talking about. You get this annoying automated voice who asks you to answer a series of questions. And for some reason, the numbnuts who designed it think it would be easier if you were to answer all questions by speaking rather than just keying in a number. What the hell was wrong with punching in a number? It served us well for decades. Now you have to wait for twice as long for the stupid thing to finish talking. I tried interrupting and the piece of shit said, "Sorry, I did not understand you," and then it started over. So then, after it finally completes its spiel, you try to do as it asks and speak your request, except the damn thing is calibrated for Yankee Boston accent or some bullshit because it didn't understand a word I was saying. So finally, after 3 or 4 replies of "Sorry, I did not understand you," I got livid and started yelling at it and calling it every curse word I could think of. It finally gave up and connected me to a real person who was able to give me my balance in about 20 seconds flat. So much for that 10 minutes of my life I'll never get back. I get why they automate them, but for f***'s sake, please go back to the simple numbered menus.
Sorry, I did not understand you.